This is a removal and installation for Lexus IS250 2007. In this video we are going to show you how to remove the cluster. First of all, the tools that you need is just two Phillips screwdriver, different sizes, a small one and a big one. And the first thing you do, you have to start the engine, and then you pull the steering wheel to the right, and then you open this screw, and then you do it to the left, you open the other screw. Next thing you do, you remove the cover on the left side, and then you have to remove the cover under the steering wheel. You just push pulling it down. It has clips on both sides. And the next thing you do, you separate the steering wheel column covers. You just have to push them and then separate those two covers. And then there are two screws, one on each side for the instrument cluster, one on this side and one on the other side. Once you remove those two screws, and there are also two more plastic screws which they are like a clip-on screws. You just remove those two plastic screws and you just pull them down, and then you would be able to take the cluster out. And there are two clips which holds the cluster in its place. You just have to pull the cluster down and it would release those clips. And that's all. And the installation is just a reverse. And if you need any repair on the cluster, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California. And you can also change the color of the needle for the clusters or the backlight for the tachometer and the cluster.